Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. We got a little bit of a different video format here. Going to give you guys the basic topics we're going to go over and dive right in. We're going to go over first the breaking news that is actually very good today, despite Ethereum being down. And then we're going to go over the metrics, guys, which called this drop, I would say almost perfectly. So make sure you guys don't miss that. And then we're actually going to go over the live trades that have won on this channel that you guys, if you were taking, did very well, and I'll show you guys how to get those. So let's start over here with the breaking news. So Ethereum ETH surges to a 2-week high as Bitcoin surpasses 35K from MarketWatch. Now I'm not gonna go through and read the whole thing, but basically it was a very good bullish article out here saying the bulls continue to dominate the cryptocurrency market as Bitcoin trades above 35,000 and Ether reaches a 2-week high of 2,330. But here's the article I want us just to sit on just for a second here, or think upon. Let's do that. All right. Ethereum transcends Bitcoin in addresses. Could Ethereum be overtaking Bitcoin? Is the flipping taking place, guys? Well, listen to this. This is very interesting. According to a recent report by Coin Metrics, Bitcoin activity addresses plunged. So they dropped by 8.5% on account of week-over-week calculations, while Ethereum's active addresses rose by 9.2%. Okay? Bitcoin dropping, Ethereum rising. All right, follow me here. Moreover, in June 27th, Ethereum owned approximately 200K more daily active addresses than Bitcoin. It owns over 200,000 more active addresses than Bitcoin. All right, and let's just get down here real quick. They say, while this can be an indication that Ethereum is catching up with Bitcoin, could this mean that the fabled flipping is befalling? Oh, this is so interesting, guys. So leave in the comments, do you think Ethereum can flip Bitcoin? Do you think Ethereum can overtake Bitcoin? I don't know. You give me your suggestions. Say yes or no, or choose something in between the middle. Let me know what you guys think. All right, let's go to the next section here of the video. Let's go over the market metrics, the crypto metrics is what we can call this, over at tradeconfident.io. Real quickly, guys, this is now on the paid membership. You guys get Bitcoin for free. You guys can look at this every single morning. Then Ethereum, Doge, Cardano, VeChain, Matic, Ripple, and Uniswap. These are on the paid membership plan for $49 a month. It will be going up to $98. So make sure you guys snag that. I haven't decided exactly when that's going to happen, but let's go over the metric here. These metrics update every day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 11 a.m. Eastern Time. This is right. I'm going to show you guys some stuff in here. It's crazy. This is right before all the biggest volume goes through on Coinbase, all right? And that is historically at 4 p.m. UTC, which correlates over to 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So this metric comes out 1 hour before the biggest volume comes through on Coinbase so you can make your decisions. Okay, it's gonna come out here. It's 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8, so 2.5 hours. Make sure you look for the next signal. So look at this. Emotional index. This is where we're at on Friday. We ended up shooting up here, getting into the greedy section, and then we shot up again yesterday, guys. Like the excited. When I mentioned this on past videos, when we get up into the excited and the greedy section, this is when the whales and institutions are looking to short you guys out because you're getting excited and you love the profits you're making and they drop the market out on you. We're going to prove that to you in a second. But remember, excited and greedy. Okay, follow this over here. Excited and greedy. See what might have happened over here? Okay, let's follow this down. Long versus short trades. I was also mentioning this to you guys on Friday. I was saying, look at this. Long trades are moving out of the market and going steadily sideways, as like if short trades increase in the market, you need to watch out for the drop. If you guys were following these metrics over the weekend and you shorted this, you made about 6%. And I know some of you guys out there are able to get a lot more, like 10% on, 10x on your guys' short trades. Let me get my words together this morning. 10x on your short trades on some exchanges. Now, maybe they're not all, regulated in the US, but I know some of you guys might be using those. Okay, that's about 60 to 70% you guys could have made over the weekend if you were following the metrics. Watch this even closer here. Okay, as we scroll down here, the long versus short trade, we were actually I was hopeful about moving into the good long trade section, which we did down here. We saw a pump and we were getting close with this move down, but then we started to move back up closer to the good short trade. So good long trade was in play. I would have said it was in play for the weekend, but I'm like, no, I'm not making personal suggestions on this. We're going to follow the metrics. It shot up to good short trade area, and then we saw a drop. But take a look at this, the whale in the institutional smart money. I'm telling you guys, you can follow this every single day over at tradeconfident.io. There's a link somewhere in the YouTube description or comments. Take a look what happened. after that video came out, we ended up seeing, just a little bit more downward pressure here for short trades. And then yesterday, which was Sunday, July 4th, this big candle came out here and it almost eclipsed the entire Saturday's candle by double. It almost got double down. It's a little bit less than double, okay? So when I see this in the market, I'm like, all right, a bunch of short trade volume from smart money is looking to enter in the market. That's exactly what they did. They drove the price down, and we've been falling on Ethereum. Hopefully we'll move back up. I'll cover this. But we dropped to a bottom here about 8.55%. Again, those of you guys shorting, 5 to 10x leverage, between 40 to 80% if you guys are going to from 5x to 10x leverage on some of these exchanges. Let me know in the comments as well, what do you guys use for your shorting exchange? I think a lot of people are going to want to know that. I personally don't short crypto at the moment, but might be getting in there. So let me know what exchange you guys like using for that. And I'm sure a lot of people would like to know that who are watching this video too. The death cross is currently active in here. So we have the red bars above the green, which means the 50. And the 200-day moving average, the 50 is below the 200. That's what that means. When the 50 is above the 200, then that's when we have the green above the red here. All right. So that is a full update for the market metrics. So make sure you guys are following this. Like, the drop was called perfectly. We had well institutional money enter the market for short trades. Boom, that made a call. We started moving up to the good short trade section here. That made another good call for the drop. We saw short trades increase. If you're watching that called the drop. Also, we got people excited in the market when the whales love to short. Your guys' excitement and greed, that called for the drop as well. Don't miss these metrics. You can literally look at these metrics on all of these: Dogecoin, Cardano, VeChain. Use them to help you guys trade better. All right, next part of this video, the price prediction. Well, as far as the price prediction, I was expecting us to get closer to 2,500. That was the emotional, psychological level. We didn't hit that. We haven't hit that yet. So for a price prediction, I do think if we can get over here, and make sure you guys watch this, because this is going to actually update today, and you guys can use the next, greatest amount of data to give you a decision here. Whatever happens with this neutral, the emotional index, make sure you guys are watching this very carefully. Watch the long and the short trades, which is updating in about 2 hours and 15 minutes now. If the short trades continue to drastically increase here and the long trades go sideways, that is an indication we could start heading down even a little bit further, all right? But if the short trades drop out here and we see any type of pump in the long trades, this could be a very nice higher low formation. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, pushing for another higher high. And that is where this week, I have no doubts, if we get the bulls back in the market, we could hit 2,500 this week, okay? Like before Friday. So I want you guys to watch that. Also, the trend exhaustion indicator is telling us the strength of the actual trend at the moment, and it is heading down to the bottom red zone. So when we get these readings, I'll pull this over here so we can see this a little better. When we get these readings when we're down here at the bottom, this is when I expect the trend to reverse. The trend structure, this is based off structure, this is based off money flow and literally on-chain metrics of volume data, okay? This is based off trend flow and price structure. When we get down to a bottom of a trend, if you guys have this indicator, you can watch this as well. And I've told you guys in the video, if we get down to the bottom red section, this is where you can buy and you can drive the price back up and make your own decision, not financial advice, but get in here and ride the market up. And this was a total of about 16 to 17%. So I do think 2,500 is possible for us here in the next week. Watching this move down here with the whale money completely dropping out of the market, as well as price structure in pink moving down. When this is correlated, guys, things move down very fast. We need to see a shoot back up in this green line. Watch the green line, the whale money flow to move back up. That will give us a good sign that money's entering back into the market while it's dropping. And let's see if that can push us into the profit. All right, let's go to the last section of this video that I think you guys are going to enjoy, and that is called the live trading profits. Cha-ching is right, guys. So if you guys are over here, this is going to be part of the paid membership like very fast. I might even turn it on today for all the paid membership, but we're trading the top 15 to 16 cryptocurrencies. And I gave you guys a question in the last video, if I could trade the top 7 to 8 for you guys, what would you want? So we've kind of got that list, and that's what we actually ended up doing the metrics up here for. So I might be taking some of these away, but just follow me here. If you guys are over at Trade Confident, these are the trades we just won. It was a 20.10% on GRT. I know, I'm sorry guys, I haven't covered a ton of videos on GRT, but I did keep you guys all updated over here on the metrics. So follow me here. Half of the website is all about metrics to help you guys call. And then I'm doing live trade calls on all of these top 16 currencies. And I'll go down to the graph Actually, let's go over here real quick. Sorry. I'm going to go over here. I actually document every single one of these trades. So if you guys click this Google document, you'll see the exact trade call that I made on June 3rd here. You'll see the entry here. You'll see a description. And if you guys go all the way down here, you're going to see every single update that I've been doing for you guys. So it's not like I'm just this guy coming out at me and like, oh, we made 20%. Woohoo. Like, no, like I've literally detailed documented every single move of the stop losses, I'm calling them stop losses. They're basically like buy limits that we're adjusting in the market to get in and stop ourselves from losing a lot of money. Interchangeable in this strategy. You guys will learn that if you read through this. I'm also updating the sell limits as well. So everything I'm doing is being updated here meticulously, and you guys can get over here to tradeconfident.io. Make sure you guys are subscribing for $49 a month because I am upping that price, I promise. Another trade was 20.22%. So there's a 20.1 on GRT, and then there was a close of 20.22% on internet computer. Guys, this trade went through the roof the last day. So that was really cool. You guys can also feel the docs here. And then we also won one on Bitcoin of 15.14. So all the wins, all the losses, I am keeping track of this over at tradeconfident.io. Make sure you guys are snagging your membership now before I raise the prices. Okay, guys, have an amazing day. God bless you guys. I'll keep the videos coming. This is very good news for Ethereum. We could be flipping Bitcoin. The trades are looking amazing. And make sure you guys are watching these metrics that are about to come out in 2 hours and 15 minutes. Don't miss them over here on Ethereum and all these other coins. And guys, I will keep these videos coming. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, guys. Bye-bye.